So hey bike lovers, welcome back to our bike review channel, The Moto Inside, your ultimate destination for in-depth bike reviews. I am your host Akash Chauhan, and today we are going to take a detailed look at Kawasaki's latest new retro cruiser, the Kawasaki Z900RS. If you are a fan of a classic design combined with a modern performance, then this bike is definitely for you. So let's dive right into it. So guys, first of all, let's talk about design and aesthetic of this bike. The design of Z900RS is inspired by Kawasaki's legendary Z1 of yesteryears. The round headlamp and the teardrop shaped fuel tank give it that old school look, while the blacked out component and sleek tail add a sporty appeal. The retro look is complemented by a semi-digital console featuring two analog dials and LCD on its center. Other notable features included full LED lighting, a sleeper clutch and traction control. Now, let's talk about the heart of this machine. The heart of Z900RS is a 948 inline-four cylinder BS6 engine which produces 109.9 bhp of power and 98.5 Nm of torque. This engine is derived from the Z900 Smiths but has a pin tune to provide a unique character for the RS. It delivers maximum power of 8500 rpm and peak torque of 6500 rpm. And now we are going to take a look at the suspension and braking of this bike. The Z900RS rides on 17 inches alloy wheels supported by 41 mm upside down front forks and a preloaded adjustable rear monoshock. Braking is managed by a dual 300 mm discs at the front and single 250 mm disc at the rear, along with dual channel ABS ensuring safety and control on every ride. And now let's talk about the additional feature of this bike. The additional feature of the Z900RS include a full LED lighting system that enhances visibility. The sleeper clutch ensures smooth and effortless gear shifting, while the traction control adds an extra layer of safety, especially in slippery conditions. And the weight and fuel capacity is also a major factor of this bike. The Z900RS has a curb weight of 215 kg, providing a stable and confident ride. It comes with a 17-liter fuel tank offering adequate range for long rides. And in its price range, the Z900RS competes with Triumph Speed 2900, considering its design, performance and features. This bike presents a balanced option that blends classic styling with modern technology. Now let's talk about the most important thing about this bike, the price segment. The Kawasaki Z900RS is priced at ₹19.1 lakh on road in Dhanbad. The cruiser bike is available in a single variant and one color option, metallic Diablo Black. It competes directly with the Triumph Speed 2900 in its segment. So guys, that was our detailed review about the Kawasaki Z900RS. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share it, and make sure to subscribe Moto Insight for more such in-depth reviews. Let us know in the comment what you think of this bike and which bike would you like to see reviewed next. Thank you for watching and ride safe.